Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DaVinci Resolve export settings for YouTube upload, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Load the project you want to export for YouTube. Once your project is open, navigate to the Deliver page at the bottom of the interface. In the Deliver page, you'll find various export presets on the left side. Scroll down and select the YouTube preset for export. If you want to customize your export settings, click on the Custom option. Start by setting your desired resolution. Choose between 720p, 1080p, or 4K depending on your project requirements. Next, select the frame rate that matches your project settings. Typically, this will be 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Now, you will need to specify the video codec. For YouTube, H.264 is the recommended codec for video. Under the Quality section, select Automatic or adjust the bitrate for your needs. Make sure to check the Audio section to set your audio codec. AAC is the preferred choice for YouTube audio. Adjust the audio bitrate to 192 kilobits per second for optimal quality. Scroll down to the File section to choose the file name and location. Enter a clear file name that indicates the content of your video. Select a destination folder where the exported file will be saved. Once all settings are confirmed, review the summary to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Add to Render Queue button located at the bottom right. Your project will now appear in the render queue on the right side. Make sure to click on Start Render to begin the exporting process. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Once finished, navigate to the location you specified to find your exported file. Now, you can upload the exported video directly to YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.